Good morning, my super babies. I've got up early today and I'm so happy. I'm gonna read the newspaper and then I'm gonna study. Today's day is gonna be amazing because I got up early. So it's breakfast time. So these are 4 gluten-free bread which I made crispy in the air fryer with a little bit of ghee. Then this is last night's beans with cheese, salad leaves. This is my yummy breakfast. So babies, I just got changed because I need to go to the grocery store. So I've decided this, like whenever I publish a vlog, it's going to be in the morning at 10 a.m. I'll try my best to publish it 10 a.m. but it'll be in the morning only because then I can get done with other things too. I need to schedule myself completely. So we have decided not to make a Christmas plum cake, like a rum cake for Christmas this time, because mom was like, who's going to eat it? We're going to be eating it and it's going to get too much. So I'm going to make my chocolates because I need to give these chocolates to a lot of people, like doctors, a lot of other people too. So I'm going to make my chocolates and I'm going to go and get the remaining ingredients which I had to get fatafat. And yeah, I'll take you along. I'll try to vlog. It's going to be hot again. First, we're going to Ghatkopar and getting undia if it's available. There's this place called Tip Top in Ghatkopar where the undia is amazing, but you get it only in the morning. It's already past 12 p.m. I'm not too sure, but still we're going to try our luck out there. We're going to go there first, and yeah, I'll take you along. I'll try to shoot now outside. Let's see. Hi, So guys, just picked up undia, batata vada. The batata vada also is really tasty, and theplas with pickle. Now where are we going? Now we'll go home, keep this, and then go to Chembur market. Board. Okay. My mom wants to, like, we can't stick souvenirs on the fridge, so now my mom's going to search for a board.
And I'll do a DIY.
You're going to do a what?
DIY on it. Ah, it's very sunny.
DIY. She's going to do a DIY on the board to stick the souvenirs.
Yes, Cuckoo.
So, mommy, where are we going now?
We are going to the Chembur market.
Loud, please.
Because she wants to buy some things for her chocolate making, like what?
Many things are there.
Molds and the paper and all that. So we have some exciting videos coming up where she will show her beautiful chocolates.
I'm not showing the making of the chocolates. It will take a lot of.
Okay, we show it from outside what it looks like.
I'll show that.
And then I have to buy one greeting card. I am also going to make some.
Upper fly. Yeah, what are you going to do?
I'm going to do something on a bottle. Christmas theme.
Oh, mom, can you do something? I shall record yours. So guys, we just picked up. What all you picked up?
You put up soap powder and your lace and pepper and like that few things.
Lace and some chocolate. Lace.
Okay, but if you carry this, it's heavy.
Okay.
Hello.
It's white chocolate, dark chocolate and milk chocolate. Then kori roti, then mole,
Masala.
that's all, no? So babies, I just came back home. I'll just show you what all I bought from Nature's Basket. Salad leaves, fresh cream, gluten-free bread and hazelnuts. Bas, now I'm tired. Now it's time for lunch. Undio and thepla. And these are batata vadas. What? Yuck! How is it? Yeah, we are very hungry. Even I'm very hungry. Thepla and undio.
No fruits or what?
From Tip Top is heavenly.
Oh, nice.
Babies, I ate dabake. I've realized one thing. If I don't eat dabake now, guys, I don't have the strength for anything. Such a lame excuse, actually. But if I eat dabake, I can exercise more dabake. Like yesterday, I started with my walks. I got done about 6,000 steps. Today I want to get done with 10,000 plus steps. So let's see. Now I'm going to study, guys. I have to study. Morning also I did study. Now again I want to study. I want to study. I'm in a full mood to study, so I'm going to do it. So guys, I started with the chocolate making. I didn't record because it's quite a tedious thing, and I don't want to mess it up because I'm recording, and it is quite dangerous also because it's playing with fire too. So I'm being very careful, and I started with coconut filling. Okay, bye. So waiting for the color to change a little bit like more brown, and then I can switch it off and add in the remaining ingredients. So guys, mine didn't come out well. It got caramelized. I made some mistake somewhere. I have to try it again. It tastes amazing, but this is not the way I wanted it to be. So babies, I'm sad it did not come out as expected caramelized. So I do not have sugar also now, nor I have some of the other ingredients. So I have to get all that again and try it again. I should have done this before, not so late in December. Better late than never. I can like sit whole night and do it also. I've done that in the past. So let's see. It tastes amazing, but it's caramelized, so I'm not getting the shape I want. The feel, the texture is not right, so I have to do it again. Now I do some more studies. I did a little bit, now I better go back to studies. Guys, finally I got it right. My god, it took quite a while. Like now my back is breaking, and this tastes heavenly.
Napomi made. Wow. I think I have to roll it up now again.
No, tomorrow when I make it, you think such a big mold I have for chocolates. This also have to cut into half.
I made it like this.
So that's just easy for me for making it.
Making what?
Are you stuffing it inside the chocolate, yeah?
You just put it like that.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. But you have to cover it up.
You open this paper. अभी फ्रिज खोलूं संभाल के खोलूं
Tommy, don't irritate, yeah?
उधर भूत गई करी
Keep quiet.
बंद के
वाह ice cream खा रहा अकेले guys. I had picked this up for my dad. keep quiet ना यार, क्या है तेरे को क्या? So guys, I picked this up for my dad, and he said this is amazing. It's just too tasty, it seems.
everything is amazing.
You can't make fun, huh?
Special.
So babies, I'm going for a walk now. I've worn my brother's shirt, which my mom had picked it up for my brother from Pantaloons. It didn't fit him, so I took it. So it's my new shirt. So I'm going to walk now. I hope it should be 10,000 steps. I hope so. So guys, I'll chat with you later on because I'm going to see Delhi crime while walking. Just came back home, babies. I walked around 10,500 steps, around 7 kilometers, 7.6 kilometers. I'm super duper happy. I spoke to my bestie Anu like continuously, so I'm so happy. Hey baby, what's for dinner? Wow, what are you making?
Prawns and butter prawns today.
Butter garlic prawns for me. Wow. Can I have this? Then I'll wash my hands. Today na babies, I'm dead tired, and I think I'm going to sleep like a dead meat. I have no idea, like a chattameen. Tomorrow I have to get up and get done with the chocolate. So the coconut chocolate the batch of the coconut chocolate should get done tomorrow. Then I want to start with the Nutella, hazelnut, praline. Even I wanted to make another one, which is that orange. So many. So, but keeping myself busy and vlogging is giving me inner peace. It really helps. It feels good. And wearing my specs continuously. Fuck, I'm getting my specs marks again. You can see it, guys. Oh shit. Crap. I wear my specs quite a bit. Yes, I put blush and lipstick while walking. I want to look like Jhantak Mantak. So, babies, I just got done with Big Boss. I'm finding Nikki so pathetic. I mean, like, so pathetic. Like, having a friend or sister like her is like, you. I mean, I really liked her before, but now she's like, she's getting possessed or something, I guess. So, babies, it's time to go to sleep. My eyes are literally paining and dry. I need to sleep very, very quickly. So let's get on to Mama and ask her how was her day. So baby, what are you put powder on your face? I mean, you put so much powder on your face, yeah?
So,
But why?
my face was itching.
So you put powder. What powder?
Talcum powder.
So the itching stopped? You put kajal also?
Morning ka kajal.
You're not supposed to keep, you didn't remove it?
I didn't go.
You're supposed to take your oil and wash it off.
What oil?
Any oil, olive oil. My makeup room was lying in the bathroom.
Actually, it is some makeup on.
How was your day?
Oh, very exciting.
How? How exciting.
We went out to the market and roamed around in the hot sun.
I know today, guys, it was too hot. I
And
think
we
we
came
got
back
tanned
and
like
we-
hell. That's why mom put powder.
And then we had a good sleep in the afternoon because we were so tired.
But I didn't sleep, my
I
dear.
didn't sleep either.
My mom slept tagada. I didn't sleep, and that's why my eyes are closing right
And
now.
then I woke up and I did cooking.
Huh?
Then I washed persons. Then I'm waiting to keep the food in the fridge. If you request your father to have his dinner, maybe I can end the day on a
Fast note. Anna?
happy.
I also need to sleep, guys. Yeah, my dad has to finish eating. What are you doing, Ambi? Ambi, you're literally eating.
I like this chura. It's called dal moot. I love it.
So, this is a guys, do you also eat like this? Even I eat like this. Chalo guys, Ami, ending the
I'm
vlog.
going to do this also. Mandala. Ayo, don't put all that.
So, what are you doing?
I'm watching this. I'm going to do mandala art on bottle.
Oh, so baby, tell fast whatever you have to say before you go to sleep because I'm really sleepy. I can't
So
wait.
please watch the video and enjoy it. And comment and like it and share it.
Hit on the bell also so that you get notified as soon as we upload the video.
And watch the full video and enjoy.
Ami, your signature words. Every time I'm going to keep on repeating.
Bye babies. Bus.
I love you. Supposed to say, don't miss it, yeah.
I love you babies.
Bye.
Good night. Time is 11:34.
Bye.
I get to sleep by 12.
So babies, there's not going to be any vlog for the weekend because weekends I take a break from vlogging. If anything interesting happens, of course I will, I shall vlog it, but otherwise no. If you are on the healthier side and if you go for a long walk, see that you apply oil or something between your thighs, otherwise it's going to get scraped. I mean the skin out there is going to get scraped, and that's what happened to me today. It's damn painful and I hope I can walk tomorrow again. So that's all babies. And yeah, my dinner was amazing. The prawns was too good. I ate quite a bit. So yeah, I'll catch you up on Monday or Tuesday as planned. Weekend, if there's nothing interesting, I shall not vlog it. Bye baby.